How do you feel today, sir?
Of course, extremely excited today. Yes, it's a special day to me, you know, and of course I'm very, very happy. Trust me.
What does motherhood mean to you?
For me, mother has a lot of definitions, you know, but for me, she's love, she's care, she's all I've got. So many people say that it is your mother before anybody. They are extremely right, and that's why I'm extremely excited today. For every woman out there that is a mother, I pray God will continue to make you happy. My mother deserves the best. My mother deserves to be happy to eternity. So, and I'm glad I'm making her happy.
What are your wishes for your mom at 70?
Mommy, today that you're 70, I pray to God Almighty to make you 80, 90, 100, 120 in very good health, because I wish to do more for you. Trust me. Mommy, long life and prosperity. I love you, Mommy.
Alright, hello Joko. Everybody, hello Joko.
Ọjọ́ pa kọjá ní
ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ní pé mímọ̀
ọjọ́ pa kọjá ní
ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ní pé mímọ̀ Nígbà tí mo rí bó ṣe tó, mo máa sọ pé ọ̀pọ̀ ló yẹ. Ejúlé bàbá nígbà tí mo rí bó ṣe tó. Ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ nígbà tí mo rí bó ṣe tó. Ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ wa máa pé ọ̀pọ̀ ló yẹ. Ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ màmá kí wọ́n lọ mú màmá máa bọ̀ báyìí. àwọn ni wọ́n fẹ́ jó wọlé wọ́n ti ń bọ̀ ready Alhaja Rusikato Ejide Adebayo Salami ẹjọ ẹ jẹ́ ká kúrò ní ọ̀nà yẹn bouncer please can you listen to me in it because I just got back from London please I want to make this way to the you know in it ẹjọ this road there àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n wà ní ọ̀nà yìí ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ọ̀nà yìí sílẹ̀ ẹjọ.